Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Radu Ali with you. Today, inshallah, we're getting something new and we will learn Arabic language together. If you're ready, are you? Let's start. So, the first lesson in Arabic language is to use the word haza. Haza, do you know what does it mean? Think. Okay, it means this is. This is. We can use it for saying this is a boy, this is a book, this is a school, or maybe this is cute. So we say هذا and then we mention what we want to say. Like for example, if we want to say this is a boy, we say هذا ولد. Do you know what is that in Arabic? A house means بيت. Now, if I want to say this is a house, what should I say now? Okay, we say هذا بيت. بيت. بيت means a house. And try, if you didn't know the word, try to memorize it so you get all the words during the lesson. And by the end of it, you would know like not less than 10 words, inshallah. So, like we said, هذا بيت. Next one, this is a mosque. What is a mosque? Of course, you know it. It is masjidun. Well done. So, to say this is a mosque, what should we say? Correct. هذا مسجد. هذا مسجد. We can say masjid like you used to, but for now, we're learning to say masjidun. It's just like we say ah. Do you know when we say a boy, an apple? So a and an in Arabic, this is the two dhammas, the double of dhamma there. If you can see, this is double dhammas. So we say هذا مسجد. Okay, great. Let's do the next one. That is a door. So we say this is a door. هذا, do you know? باب. هذا باب. هذا باب. That is a book. Is it flipped? I don't know. Okay, so this is a book. What does book means in Arabic? 1, 2, 3. Okay, time's out. It is kitabun. When we want to say this is a book, what should we say? We use the first word هذا. This is kitabun. This is a book. Good job. This is a pen. We say هذا قلم. 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 هذا قلم. هذا قلم. Well done. Next one is key. A key. We say this is a key. هذا مفتاح. هذا مفتاح. Okay, good so far? Let's continue. If we want to say this is a desk or a writing table or a desk or even office, they have the same meaning, which is مكتب. 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 We say this is a desk. هذا مكتب. Good job. هذا مكتب. This is a bed. It's your turn now. هذا. Okay. Then سرير. هذا سرير. هذا سرير. Well done. Very great. Let's get like a quick revision before we continue. So the first one, it was بيت, مسجد, باب, كتاب, قلم, مفتاح, مكتب, سرير, and this one, كرسي. كرسي means a chair. كرسي. If we want to point at it and say, this is a chair, what should we say? هذا كرسي. Good job. هذا كرسي. All right. If we want to ask, what is this? So we just say what before the word هذا, right? So we say ما هذا. ما هذا means what is this? So in English we say what is, then we say this, right? There is no is in Arabic. Even there is no verb to be in Arabic. So we don't say is, there's no an equal to it in Arabic. So we just skip it on all the verb to be. So there's no is, am, or are. It's easier, I think. So we say ما هذا. We just get to the word هذا. ما هذا? What is this? This is a house. So if someone asks you, ما هذا? You say, this is a house. Can you answer that? Good job. هذا بيت. هذا بيت. This is a house. Now, look at this one. Here, we're having a hamza. You see this hamza? This hamza, we say that it is for questioning. Like if we want to ask a question, we just add it. So if I said أهذا instead of هذا, that means I'm asking, is this? So it's a question now. We say, is this a house? أهذا بيت? Is this a house? What should we say? We say, yes, this is a house. Okay. Do you know how to say yes in Arabic? We say نعم. نعم. If we want to say no, we say لا. So now, do we say نعم or we say لا? Good. We say نعم. So let me ask you. أهذا بيت? All right. You say نعم. هذا بيت. Yes, this is a house. This one here is a shirt. So we say قميص. Shirt. قميص. If I ask it, ما هذا? What is this? Your answer is هذا قميص. This is a shirt. Very well. Next one here. Do you still remember what was that? A chair? 3, 2, 1, 0. Time's out. It is كرسي. So we say كرسي. If I ask it, أهذا سرير? What is the meaning? What's the meaning of that? أهذا سرير? Do you know? Think. We said Hamza for questioning. It means is, and هذا means this. So is this a? Is سرير means chair? No. So we say here سرير, it means a bed. So we say, is this a bed? Is that correct? No. So we say, no, this is a chair. This is not a bed. We say, no, this is a chair. What was no means? Was it نعم? No, it was لا. So we say لا. This is a chair. This is means هذا. And a chair means كرسي. So the answer now is لا هذا كرسي. Good job. Next one. Before we say the question, do you remember what was a pen in Arabic? Okay, it was قلم. The question is, أهذا مفتاح? Is this a key? Because Hamza for questioning. هذا means this, and مفتاح means a key, not a pen. So should we say نعم or لا? Good. We say لا. لا هذا قلم. No, this is a pen. Very well. A star. Star means نجم. So we say هذا نجم. Now, let me ask you. ما هذا? Good. هذا نجم. هذا نجم. Let's do an exercise. Here. ما هذا? On the right. هذا مكتب. ما هذا؟ هذا سرير. ما هذا؟ هذا بيت. ما هذا؟ هذا باب. Good job. Next page. ما هذا؟ هذا قلم. ما هذا؟ هذا كتاب. أهذا بيت؟ Is this a house? نعم، هذا بيت. Yes, this is a house. أهذا قميص؟ Is this a shirt? Yes, this is a shirt. نعم، هذا قميص. أهذا مفتاح؟ Is this a key? No, this is a pen. لا، هذا قلم. أهذا نجم؟ Is this a star? نعم، هذا نجم. Yes, this is a star. Here. ما هذا? It means what is this? أهذا بيت? It means is this a house? لا، هذا مسجد. No, this is a masjid. ما هذا؟ هذا مفتاح. What is this? This is a key. Good job. هذا مكتب. These are sentences you need to remember, and if you want to practice writing, you should try with this, saying all of them and writing all of them as well. هذا كرسي. This is a chair. هذا مسجد. This is a mosque. هذا سرير. This is a bed. هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذا مفتاح. This is a key. We stop here, and next time, inshallah, we will continue and learn how to say من هذا. Let me ask you, do any one of you knows what is the meaning of من هذا? If you know, just leave a comment and I will see it and we'll see who said it right. Okay? Alright, we stop here and see you inshallah next time. Assalamu alaikum.